Hello traders, what's up? Welcome back to this amazing no loss strategy with MJ Crypto. In today's video, we're going to be analyzing the TRB USDT pair, and I will be showing you in details what and where you should be trading from using my very best strategy called top-down analysis in conjunction with SMC, all right, which is smart money concept. Now, one of the easiest ways to, consistently make profit out of this market is to ensure you are trading from key zones and you know where your key levels are. Now, I know the big question you want to ask me right now is what exactly are key levels? Now, key levels are areas of big rejections on your chart. Okay, there are areas where you have big rejections on what? Your chart. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to come down on your weekly time frame, try to analyze from your weekly, plot out all the key areas where you have rejections, right? Where you have massive rejections. Now, I've done that already, not to waste your time. I've done that. If you actually want to learn this course in full, you want to learn how I trade to become very profitable in this space, send a DM through the link in the description of this video. There is a well-prepared course for this that will scale you up from 0 to 100 in just 2 weeks. All right, there are lots and lots of testimonials from this course from so many students worldwide. Now, the first thing you want to do is to come here on your weekly time frame. Try to understand what exactly the market is doing. Are we bullish or are we bearish? Now, if you look very clearly, right, you're going to see something here. You're going to see something right here. You're going to see something like this. But let me just use another to illustrate this. Let me use a curve. You're going to see something like this, like so, right? And it's actually repeating itself here again. Now, what is this telling us? This is telling us that this particular asset had a recovery from these levels, right? It had a recovery from these levels. This is not all there is, but this will help you to propel your journey into becoming a smart trader. Now, we had a curve here, we had a recovery, and now we're having a recovery. So most likely our tendency or bias is bullish up to this level, right? Up to this level, up to this very top level here, right? This is where we want to be taking all our profits from on this TRB USDT, right? We want to be taking most of our profits from here, but we can't just go into the trade blindly and we can't just step into the trade just like that, right? So the first thing we want to do, the very first thing we want to do is to analyze from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame now. And that is where the top-down analysis comes very handy. Listen, guys, if you get this course called the SMC Made Easy live course, it's a live training for 10 chapters. And trust me, in just 2 weeks, honestly speaking, you're going to become as profitable as you've never been before. This is a deal breaker. Honestly, this is everything a trader needs. I'm going to explain these things right now. So first things first, we know these are our key levels on the weekly. These are our key levels. And we want to be trading from these key levels. We have the recovery here. We have the most key support, which is this. This is the most key support of the weekly. We'll have another one. We'll have another one. We have another one here, and then we'll have another one here. Now, price is just ranging between these. Price is ranging between here, right? So we want to be catching moves just around here. Now, the next thing we want to do, we've analyzed our key levels on the weekly because they are actually very strong. We'll now move down to the daily time frame. We're going to move down to the daily time frame now. And this is going to actually show us where we should be trading from. The next move we should be expecting. Now, the next move we should be expecting to be somewhere around here. I mean, somewhere around this region, right? Somewhere around here. It's what we should be expecting. Price to come down, then pump back up again to the upside. Now, it's still looking very, very clustered. So I want to scale down to the 4 hours to actually see what exactly is going on there. Right? So the 4-hour chart is right in front of us. And if you can see this, I hope that you are paying detailed attention. Hope that you're actually paying detailed attention. Okay, let me use the 6-hour time frame. These are just mid-range time frames. Let me use the 6 hours. Okay, it's quite similar to the 4-hour time frame. Now, we want to identify patterns on the 6 hours or the 4 hours, depends on you. We want to actually identify patterns right here. Now, first thing we want to do, come here and see what exactly this market was doing. Now, you can see this is a key level. The key level is the one asterisk in blue, right? This is these ones, and all of that. Now, these are key levels from the weekly. So price is already trading down to the key levels. Now, we want to ensure that our level of support or resistance is on the key levels. Now, what kind of pattern do you see here? What kind of pattern do you see? I am seeing an ascending triangle. I'm seeing an ascending triangle. Do you see it? I'm seeing an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern, right? Definitely price came here, went off, flat resistance, and then the support was aggressively moving forward, meaning buyers were actually buying from here, buying from here, buying from here, and eventually they pushed the price upwards, right? So the next thing price we want to do is to come down. Let me just extend this. The next thing price wants to do is to come down and kind of like touch this support here, this support here. So price may come down from here. Price may come down from here and touch this support level and then fly back to the upside. So I will be taking trades when price eventually comes down to this level. That's what I'm going to be doing for this pair. That's exactly what I'll be doing. When price comes here, I'll wait for a change of character, maybe on the 15 minutes, and then boom to the upside. So eventually, this is how the market runs. Now, listen up, guys. The reason I'm actually doing all of these things for you is to ensure that your journey in this space becomes very swift, okay? When I started trading, I didn't have enough opportunity to actually, get across to information like this, and potential profitable information, all right? It was more like using, what do you call them now, indicators and all of those things. Now, you'll notice something. I didn't plot any indicator on this chart. I did not plot any indicator on this chart, simply price action, because I know my key levels will be respected. All right. I know my key levels are going to be respected because they are at higher time frames. Now, one of the big mistakes that a lot of traders make is that they keep plotting key levels on 4-hour time frames. You don't plot your key levels on 4 hours. You plot them on the weekly or the 3 days or the daily, high time frames. All right, that's how you know that, okay, yes, this is a key level that should be respected. All right, it's that simple. That's how you know these are key levels that ought to be what? Respected. So when price comes here, I'll be thinking of buying. I'll be buying because the entire structure now from the weekly is bullish. So I don't see any reason why I should be selling. I'm only going to be looking for buy opportunities when price comes down here. I'll be looking for buys. And that is what I'll be looking for. And that is exactly what I'm going to be doing. So guys, in a nutshell, you want to actually trade alongside the weekly time frame, because that is what actually controls the crypto space, the weekly time frame. So in all of this, I would actually advise that you get the course, the SMC Made Easy course, and try to familiarize yourself with these things that I am saying. The course is available. Send the DM with the link in the description of this video you're currently watching right now and get started immediately. It's only valid for $25 at discount price. So with all of these, you can now understand, okay, yes, when should I be buying? When should I be selling? I want to actually be buying when price is at a discount level, and I want to be selling when price is at a premium level. All right. So basically, this is what you need to scale up your journey in this crypto space. Smash the like button if you actually gained value from this amazing video. Turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on important updates like this. And most especially, share this video and subscribe to this amazing channel. My name is MJ Crypto, and I'm a full-time crypto trader. You're going to be seeing me more often on your screen, on your faces. I'm going to be popping up everywhere, showing you guys what you need to do on every single time frame. Let's go, guys. The key to trading is to ensure that you do not blow your account. So as much as you actually do practice all of these things that you'll be learning in the course, it is very vital that you use good risk management. All right. Cheers. One love. Peace out to you guys. Love you all so much. You're a rock.